Hi there, my name is Lee. I'm your Love-Encore Delivery Specialist here at Larry H. Miller Subaru in Boise. I'm just going to give you a little walkthrough of what I do. When you first drive off in your new Subaru, there's a lot of technology to learn and it can be a little bit overwhelming. I'm here to help guide you through that and try to make it easier for you to understand and use the features in the car. The Love-Encore Delivery is a free follow-up session where we go through your new car one-on-one. It's personalized and tailored to you and your questions. During your appointment, we'll walk through your vehicle safety and tech systems, such as EyeSight. We'll help customize your settings to match your lifestyle as well. We will also help pair your phone to Bluetooth, Android Auto, or Apple CarPlay. I will also answer any questions so that you feel confident and comfortable behind the wheel. When you first buy your car, it is normal to feel overwhelmed by all the buttons and the features. The Love-Encore visit gives you a second chance to really understand your Subaru without feeling rushed. It's all about making sure you get the most out of every drive. I love what I do. What I love most is that after you leave, you're going to feel a lot more comfortable and confident with your vehicle. So when you see my call or email, don't hesitate to answer and we'll set up an appointment and get you more comfortable with your new car.